Alright, what are we hitting on? You think we're hitting there?
You can see a clear line.
So it's hitting on the top of the...
Yeah, right here. You can see it.
The valve angle is
right
cut
there
wrong.
and right there.
So it's a different valve angle.
Yep. Which we can correct.
Is that a mark also in here too? Or is that just
No.
a shadow? Might be hidden in there maybe.
Do you have any machinist paint? We could find out.
I just put felt tips on them. Okay, well definitely we're going to have to do...
Well, we could change the angle.
Valve angle change.
Yeah.
It might cut the coating off though.
Frick the coating.
It looks like there's a mark there, but...
You're talking about that one right there?
But I was moving it up and down, so it could have been just a mark me rubbing the valve on it.
Looks like there's a mark right here. Look at this. That's where it's hitting the head.
It's hitting the head someplace.
Right there.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah.
I would cut the head, not the piston.
Yeah, just like what we did with the Edelbrock. Easy on the fins. Irreplaceable. Right there.
It looks like that shiny spot right there.
Yeah.
So we just kissed that. It wouldn't hit by much.
No. Just
And
like
actually, with the gasket, it wouldn't hit there, but we should have clearance.
Yeah.
So we just lightly.
Easy on the cylinder.
Just lightly hit it right here with the grinder.
Yeah, well, why don't we check it with a gasket?
The gasket's just going to give us 40 thou clearance.
That's a lot of clearance. If it's kissing at 5 thou, it gives us 35 thou.
It'd be better just to kiss it with the grinder and make it go bye-bye. It's barely touching it.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm pushing it through it anyway.
With a 40 thou gasket, it won't touch at all. Not even close.
Yeah, but you only have 30 thou.
Over.
If you clearance it right now, it won't have any clearance problems. But we do have a valve problem. So you think the valve angle is not the same as the twin cam?
Probably not.
Oh yeah, let's get the rear head off too.
Nope.
So you gotta figure out how we're gonna make the height of these cylinders the same. I can't get there without... Well, I get that other gas, I can get there with the same thing. I get there with the same thing. Put the gasket back on that one. We'll get there. Go ahead and pull that off. The gasket over here. Oh good, you did keep the other piece too. Perfect. You kept the other piece yesterday, so we got both pieces. So we can duplicate.
Duplicate.
Pull out these shafts here.
Oh, you kept the old gasket, I see.
Make sure this doesn't drop in.
Hold on. Let me wipe it off first. Don't pull this out. I like how it's raised, you could just brush it off.
Sticks up above surface, yeah.
Yeah.
It's easy to clean.
Easy to clean. Why is this wet?
We looked up
Trash.
spoogie off. He doesn't like a spoogie on there.
Or just put it on here. Got it. Got the piston.
Hold on, get another piece here. You got the piston.
No.
You can sit there.
No.
So we're going to put this one. This one's going to sit here.
Yeah.
Okay, we got to make sure we got the washer sit on that part of the gasket.
See the washers.
What you do the side I can't get to? Bring it down. Just like all the way down. Got them both in there?
Hold on. No, I do.
No, it's down all the way. It's down all the way. So you're going to gasket on that whole side? You got two in there or just one?
Yep, 2.
Okay. So now,
This motor's almost an inch shorter than a stock Evo.
okay, now we're equally below the deck on this one too.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we need to clearance out the head a little bit on both.
No, this one's almost zero.
Almost, but not quite.
The piston feels taller. Tatro, this isn't 7 down the hole. This is 0.
On what?
On this. Feel that. It's 0.
Before it was 7 down.
Well, that's 0 now.
Bring it up. We don't have a torque. I had it torqued.
Oh, you're right. You're right. Yeah, but how would it? No, the cylinder's not going to go up.
No.
It's 0, not torqued.
Bring it up. It's not hitting. So
It's 0.
it didn't touch. It's 7 down.
It's maybe half a thou down.
Okay, it's half a thou down. We'll call it 7 just to leave it.
That's 0. I'm feeling that.
Okay, good. Glad you like it.
It's half a thou down. We'll call it 7.
Okay. We don't have the gaskets you're going to use, right?
Do it.
I don't think these are big enough.
Big bore.
Yeah, it's 3/4 bore. If we took this off, that's
That looks like 3/4.
the head we just did.
And I'm wrong.
It's 836. It's not
Yeah,
quite
75.
there, but it might clear. It might clear our piston.
It
Well, the
does.
piston doesn't go up that high, so
Yeah,
it
it
doesn't matter.
does. Oh yeah, you're right.
See, this one's only 366, but see, this is an Evo.
This ain't an Evo.
How come the Evo doesn't fit?
The Evo doesn't fit the Evo? Interesting.
These are probably too big.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, they fit.
They don't fit the dowel.
Fit tight on the dowel.
Can you wipe it off? It's kind of
I'm
gross.
trying to get it off the damn dowel. It doesn't want to come off.
That's what I said. They don't fit on the dowel. Press fit?
The dowel's coming out.
Don't rip my dowel out.
I'm trying to measure the damn gasket. 63.
Damn. Where'd you get that?
This one's 44.
Are you sure this is 63? Oh,
I
that's
just
thick.
measured it was.
That's thick.
Well, let's get that one off of there. It's 60 over here where the water passage is. It's 46 everywhere.
Water passage.
These are water cooled.
This is twin cool?
46. Yeah, that's why it's got all this crap over here for water.
Oh.
50. 55. 50. This is 50. This one was what, 45?
Probably 50.
50. 50.
Stock. I like this one more.
This one's 40. 47 there.
I don't like these variable gaskets.
46. 48. It's within 2,000. Okay, so which way do you want to put this one on? You want to put the titties where they belong? Okay, there's our 2 gaskets.
Heads on?
Titty goes on.
Front.
You don't want to clearance it because you want to hit on its own.
Easy now.
Line up the hole, dumbass. There's the hole. Can't see it. It's right there somewhere. Fell in at that time.
Ooh, look at that.
Good clearance. Good clearance, Clarence. Get the old site. You're losing the washers here. That washer full up?
This washer's good.
Okay. Let's put 2 bolts in. 180 apart from each other. One of these is a little easy. This doesn't work. How come 6 point don't work on a 12 point? Okay, where's the other 2? There's a rat eating on this cover over. You see that?
I saw that. Bastards.
I get a brand new one of those.
Yeah? Give you $50 for
From
it.
1970 to 72.
$50. A rat ate mine.
1970 72 cover.
Oh, you like that crunch?
It had crunchy in it.
It's that head gasket crunch.
Manifold. That's a dinky manifold, so.
Still too wide.
Good, so we can use a standard manifold, cut down the fit.
Yep.
So a manifold will not be a problem.
Perfect.
So we can make that happen. The breather line would be a little bit of a problem, but
Breather line.
yeah, your vacuum
Yeah,
stuff.
we'll fucking send them to the I'll send them to the earth where they belong. Allegedly.
Allegedly. The S&S usually has holes that go in your intake port.
What?
That's where these things go to.
I've never seen that.
Yeah, that's usually how they do it.
I don't know why one is dinkier than the other though.
Which part?
You see that? Look at this one. It's skinny. This
Oh.
one's fat.
That's how S&S did it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
But see, that one goes into a port, and you had that you had to put that PVC valve in there, the plastic valve,
Yeah.
and they all went together. You have to go back and look in the book for late 90s Evo how they did it, and duplicate it. They didn't go into the port here, they had it went into the port. So you sure this doesn't have a hole in the port?
It was completely assembled. It was a complete motor, and it had a weird manifold.
Yeah. Well, I would duplicate what S&S did on their regular bike and eliminate all that stupid.
Well, I'm just going to send it to the earth. I don't want to go into the motor.
Well, it actually makes more power if it goes in the motor, but
Why is that? More air?
it vacuumizes the crank. And when it works
Venturi?
correctly, it makes more power. But if you start putting pukey air into there from bad motor, it makes it go slower. So I just dump it to the ground too. 'Cause I don't care about
Allegedly.
I don't care about the extra power. I just care about not losing power. Okay, now we put the rocker box on. Put the valves on.
Hold on.
What?
We have clearance.
No shit.
I know.
How much clearance?
More than none.
60 on the one, almost. The MLS gasket was 2 thou thicker than the paper gasket.
Yeah.
And
That's probably just debris.
And we had allegedly 7 thou negative here.
No, there's
so,
0.
So that means you got 50 to 57 thou.
Okay, I'll take that.
And you want to be at 36, 35.
Which we're good.
So we're only 20 off what number we wanted.
Yeah. Perfect.
But we get center gaskets. Or we can take it up with the stroker plate we're going to have to make now. See, we're weeding out what we can't do and what we can do. The good part about not doing the cutting the head is the head's still stock.
Yep.
So if you want to go back to your stock pistons you have over there, you can put them back in and run them.
You know me, I love stock. Big stock guy.
Why does that go up and down? Is it spring loaded? Is there springs on that? Make sure you shove the rocker box toward the push rod, toward the spark plug side.
I messed up the adjustment because you wouldn't let me lock them down.
Well, we got to readjust them anyway, so we're okay.
I like how easy it is to compress.
Oh, we didn't
this.
mark the, we were going to mark the piston dome. And the felt tip to leave a mark.
Well, why don't we do that on this one?
It'd be nice to do it on both, but yeah, we do at least one of them. The black felt tip, the big fat one over there, use that one. The black one.
I don't see color.
That guy right there.
The long ways. Only the intake or exhaust too?
Mark them up. You gonna hurt anything.
Yeah. Nope.
Quit rotating the motor.
I didn't mean to.
These are not where they belong yet.
Just where I think where it's going to hit, or the entire thing? The entire pocket?
Just on the top there.
And the back.
And then the edge.
And then the back, yeah. No exhaust?
You can always hit it if you want.
Just in case.
He wasn't hitting on it, but it doesn't hurt to do it.
I don't like this marker.
the other one if it's still in. Are we in the overlap right now, probably?
I don't know. Easy, don't push on the cylinder like that, sir. And you're choosing to be on the overlap because that's where the contact happens?
I'm on the compression.
You're on the compression?
Compression stroke here, the firing stroke. It was at top dead center until it dropped way down.
Which way? I'm gonna go this way.
It comes up. You hold it right there. There's that mark that you have right there. There's the mark for that.
Let's see it. Hold on. There.
There?
Yep. I'm looking at it.
That's 0.
Okay.
That's 0 was the mark.
Is it? Right here. Rotate the top. Or it says 0. Other way.
0's there, it'll rotate to get where you need to be.
Right there. Mark. Okay.
Okay.
You just took it off 0.
So now we gotta turn in our turns.
You just took it off 0 though.
Alright, so how many turns are we going this time?
4. No,
Oh.
3 and 3/4 off
We're
exhaust.